Dito nanggagaling ang kakaibang enerhiyang sinasabi ko sa inyo, Prinsipe Santos.
General Draco, umpisahan ang pag-atake!
Red alert.
Nakaisa sa atin ng Voltes team.
Nice! Sino na direct hit sa inyo sa cap?
Not me.
Hindi rin ako.
Lalo na ako.
Kung hindi isa sa atin, kayo nagaling yun.
Wait.
Medical team, report to Deck 1.
It didn't come from them.
Brazilian energy signature confirmed.
The Brazilians are back!
All crew to battle station.
Battle stations, everyone!
Aye, aye, sir. CBF defense protocol activated.
Tactical station reports ready.
Engineering station ready. Medical and life support reports ready.
Command. Alert. Intruder alert.
It's a beast fighter!
Beast fighter? Na naman? Talagang tinaon nila na nagtitraining tayo.
Just hold on, Commander Robinson. Kami na ang bahala.
Guys, this is it. This is the real thing, okay? Roger.
It's not a drill. Abort training.
Richard, you have the control. I'm flying back to EDF headquarters.
Godspeed, Oscar.
Chief Kelly, once I'm out, raise the shields.
Aye, aye, sir.
Team, get ready for the real battle. Let's go. Huwag niyo siyang ngayang makalapit sa camp. And don't give him a chance to retaliate. Roger! Roger!
Commander Robinson's helicopters clear from base. Activating shields.
Blow boomerang!
Bomber missile!
Badger missile!
Lander missile. Frigate missile.
Whoa! Watch out! Mark, quick left!
Chumbaka ka ngayon.
Yabang naman ng kalabaw na to.
Nakatayo pa rin siya? Parang hindi siya tinablan.
Di man lang siya tinablan sa mga missile natin, ha?
Nakakatakot. At hindi ang kalaban natin.
Attention. Injured private.
I can't believe this. Kahit anong gawin ng Voltes 5, parang hindi apektado ang Beast Fighter.
Outgoing flights for
Pinagandaan talaga tayo. Alam nila kung saan ang location natin.